Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. Medyo pause tayo today guys. But pupunta kami today sa Punta Bulatain, Kawayan. So see you there. Meron kaming baon. Nagluto ako ng boiled na saging. Ayan guys. Oh. Tapos ito naman yung isa guys. Nag-init na ako ng Spanish bread. From Sophia's. Sofia. Ayan. Ito guys. Ito yung isa. Sarap. Ayan. Spanish bread.
I did it all. I played pretend. I moved the mountains to be your friend.
Dito na tayo guys sa Kabangkalan City and magko-coffee lang kami dito sa Dunkin. Ayan, siguro yung ano natin is mga 1 hour 30 minutes na lang. Yun, we need coffee. Ako pala. Siya ano, hot choco. Okay, let's go. Coffee lang. Okay din pala yung Dunkin nila dito guys. So pwede kayong mag-dine in. May alfresco din dito sa labas. And yan yung Kabangkalan. Guys, instead na mag-take out, nag-dine in na lang kami. Yan, so ito yung coffee tsaka yung iced chocolate Charles. Then, nag-manage din siya. Americano.
I would have gone to war for you. I would have bent the earth in two just to get to our ever after. Something about this has changed. I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go. No, I don't want this to end. Whoa. Remember the start when you're breaking my
So guys, nag-stop over lang kami dito. Kasi meron pa siyang work. But, now, mga 49 minutes na lang guys at nasa Punta Bulacan na tayo. And, I want to show you this guys. So, let's appreciate the view. Diba? Ganda. Dito pa kami sa roadside.
I would have gone to war for you. I would have bent the earth in two just to get to our ever after.
So, nag-stop over lang kami dito sa may famous na photo spot ng Kawayan. Ayun guys, oh. And so, pwede kayong mag-stop over dito and then mag-park lang here sa side ng daan. So, medyo mahaba lang talaga guys yung municipality ng Kawayan. So, akala mo nandun ka na sa yung paroroonan pero malayo-layo pa pala. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo guys na pwede kayo dito mag-stop over. Then mag-take ng pictures if you want. Ayan. Overlooking ng beach.
Something about this has changed. I wanna feel you close again. Don't let go. No, I don't want this to end. Whoa. Remember the start when you're breaking my heart again.
35 minutes na lang guys. Nandun na tayo sa Punta Bulacan. Medyo gloomy lang today guys. Kasi merong bagyo ata ngayon.
Paalis na.
Oh, paalis naman siya ng Philippines. Tingnan natin siya. Nag-download kasi kami ng Zoom Earth. Kaya dito namin tinatrack yung bagyo. Ito. Zoom Earth.
Another time around the block. I loved you around the clock. Break of dawn, might as well be midnight. Talking on the dock.
Medyo rough road na dito guys. Pero okay naman. kaya namang daanan. Pero I highly suggest na magdala kayo ng matataas na sasakyan. Papasok lang naman ng resort guys, yung rough road. Mga siguro 1 minute lang naman. Pero dun guys, from the main road naman, tsaka papunta dito sa loob, before kayong lumiko ng resort mismo, maganda naman yung road guys. So okay lang. Konting ano lang talaga, rough road. Ayan. Papasok na.
Onto Punta Balata Driveway, then turn right to stay on Punta
Oh,
Balata
magaling.
Driveway. Then you will arrive at your destination.
Turn right to stay on Punta Balata Driveway, then you will arrive.
Ito guys yung parking lot nila. Yan yung reception area. Okay. So, nandito na kami guys sa Punta Balata Resort. Pupunta muna kami sa restaurant kasi hindi pa available yung rooms. So, mamaya pa ata, baka mga 12 or 2 p.m. Pero mamaya guys, papakita ko naman sa inyo yung room. So, mag-room tour tayo, okay?
Smooth as a silky pillowcase, slither in my innocent oasis. You bring the pain, I'll deliver patience. I see the lion and try to tame him. I know the werewolf behind the sheep, familiar the scent of deceit behind your pretty teeth. Say you need space to breathe, but what does that?
Guys, buti na lang gumanda yung panahon. Ayan o. Uminit na guys. And then, hindi na siya masyadong gloomy.
I don't believe when you said to me you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve. Something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve. I seen it coming from up the block.
Ito pa rin ang gamit namin guys. Link below.
Para hindi masunog.
Yeah. Ang ganda nito guys kasi moisturizing siya. Face and body na kasi siya. Ayan. Super bait niya guys. Oh. Mama na ata siya. Mhm. Very clean niya din. Oh. Hello. Kaka-check-in lang talaga namin. It's 2:20 na. So, na-late kami mag-check-in actually kasi kiniklean pa yung room at saka marami pang mga pinifix dito yung TV and all. So, yun. Anyway guys, let's do a quick room tour. So, si Charles ang mag-room tour sa inyo ngayon. Okay.
Housekeeping. Housekeeping. So, yun. Magro-room tour tayo guys dahil
Okay.
alam mo na. Sige. Ito po yung ating mini ref.
Alright.
Tingnan natin. May mga Pocari Sanmig. So, may mga prices na yan.
Okay, may bayad yan.
May bayad yan. Ito, may coffee. sorry, walang coffee. Green tea.
Ayan ang coffee.
Ito coffee pala. Coffee, cream, brown sugar, water,
Ano ba
complementary. Padayan. Meron pa. Okay.
Ang gulo ng room tour. Anyway, guys, siya ang pinag-room tour ko. Siya yung pinag-room tour ko, guys, kasi hindi maganda yung boses ko ngayon. So, anyway,
Take over.
Ulit, dito tayo sa...
Okay. We have a water
Okay.
with a complementary to glass, coffee, cream, brown sugar, cups,
Green
and
tea, kettle.
kettle. Okay. Over here naman, you have the sala, or you can call this hiligdaan. Ayun, hindi pala pull out. Ayun.
Parang pull out siya. So, pwede siya isa pang tao.
Isang tao.
Yan. Pwede extra.
And then, come here. Ayun, pwede mong lagyan ng mga
Yan, merong mga mini cabinets.
mini cabinets. Lalagyan. Ayan yung TV, nasira.
Sira yung TV.
Ayan, may SDB, safety deposit box, and then flashlight.
Okay.
And then, there you have the king-size bed with a welcome home in Punta Bulata. Tsaka yung aircon niya, so medyo malamig naman, guys. Split type. So, perfect. Yung beach towel, dalawa. And then, let's go to the comfort room. And, ayan, ay, sobrang laki.
Yan, sobrang laki.
Ayan.
Shower area.
Shower area. Tapos may shampoo and body wash with 2 towels here. Dalawang towels. And dalawang bathrobe. Umbrella here. Hangers. Ayan, pull out. May laman ba dito? Wala. Then there you have the pag malakas yung amoy. So, ayan. Exhaust.
Open pa na siya.
And hair dryer, the mirror.
Merong dalawang lababo. Yan. ng mirror. And then yung toilet. Ayan.
Yeah,
Meron
bidet.
yung bidet.
Sobrang laki. Okay, back to the room. It's very hot here. Then may dalawang lamps. Ayan. And then the flower vase. And then the drawer. Wala ding laman. Dalawang bedside table.
Ito, croutons.
Croutons. And there you have it. That is the room tour here in Punta Bulata. Punta Bulata. Ano ka lang ay ba ito? Again. So, ayan, this is the room. As you can see. So, I'll put here.
Dito, sa kabila.
Dito. Dito pala. Ayan. Dito the room type and the price kung magkano siya. That is what you call the room tour.
Here's how to redeem a Agoda promo code. First, just open your app or website, then go to Deals. Just enter my promo code KEAGODA. Search for your hotel. Go to the payment or checkout page. Find the promo code or coupon. Enter KEAGODA exactly as provided, then tap Apply. Confirm that the discount appears in the booking total before paying. And that's it.
What you think I'm not? Let me remind you if you forgot. I'm not the 1 or the 2 or the 3 or the 5. Okay, you need space. Go ahead, get your life. While you're searching, hope you find. Act right, saying you're fine. I don't believe when you said to me you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve. Something's up your
So, ganito naman guys, every night dito sa Punta Bulata. Yan o, it's so beautiful. Ito yung pool area. Wala naman naliligo kaya walang masyadong lights. Diyan lang. Yan. Cool. Super ganda niyan guys oh. Actually, yan yung parang trademark dito sa Punta Bulata. Yung kanilang napakagandang hotel rooms. Ayan oh. baba naman tayo dito, guys. It's already 8 p.m. na. Medyo madilim lang dito sa may bandang beach side. Ayan, o. Maririnig nyo yung mga waves. Kanina maraming nagbabangka dyan, guys. Nangingisda siguro. Pero ito talaga yung view nyo dito. Ayan. Parang pangit ng lighting. Pero yan, guys. Oh, yan yung view talaga. So nice. Let's go back sa room. Kasi meron kami nakaschedule na spa. Magpapaspa tayo today. Tonight pala. Dito lang yung room namin, guys, sa baba. Dami ng rooms. Ayan. Dito yung room namin. Room 3.
Ang daming aso sa pusa. Ayan.
45 minutes na rin.
Hello. Papa-foot massage. Sleeping. Sleeping, baby. Hello.
Guys, kakatapos ko lang magpamassage. Actually, dapat foot massage lang ako, but nag-add ako ng upper back massage. Sobrang sarap talaga, guys. As in, nakatulog ako. And 1 hour din siya. Ilalagay ko na dito yung rates, pero if you are visiting Punta Bulata, guys, I highly recommend talaga yung kanilang spa. Kasi, merong tuko. Anyway, if you're visiting Punta Bulata, guys, I highly recommend na itry nyo yung spa nila. Actually, this is our second time na nagpa-spa dito sa Punta Bulata. Super sarap talaga, guys. Wala na talaga akong boses, guys. I'm so sorry. But yun, if you are visiting Punta Bulata, highly recommend. Hindi pala ako nakagdala ng moisturizer, guys. So, eto lang. Yung gagamitin natin yan is yung aloe water from the Face Shop. Spray lang siya, guys. So, ganito lang. Yan. Sobrang refreshing lang yan. Papatuyuin lang natin siya and then we're ready to sleep. So, nagdala pala ako ng tea, guys. Actually, pag nagta-travel, nagdadala ako ng green tea kasi minsan walang green tea sa mga hotels. But meron naman silang green tea doon, guys, luckily. Pero ako nagdala lang ako ng aking green tea. So before matulog, guys, mag-green tea muna tayo. This is from Japan pa, guys. I really love green tea. Ayan o. Ito siya. Daily dose of green tea. Actually, everyday ako nag-green tea, guys. Before going to sleep. Overnight stay lang pala kami dito sa Punta Bulata, guys. So, yun. See you tomorrow!
Smooth as a silky pillowcase, slither in my innocent oasis. You bring the pain, I deliver patience. I see the lion and try to tame it. I know the werewolf behind the sheep, familiar the scent of deceit behind your pretty teeth. Say you need space to breathe, but what does that really mean? I don't believe when you said to me you really need space to.
Wala masyado activities dito sa Punta Bulata, guys. But if sa gabi, guys, I highly recommend na magpa-spa kayo before kayong matulog. Super relaxing talaga. And also, guys, magdala din pala kayo ng sarili nyong toothbrush and toothpaste kasi wala silang pinoprovide dito sa room. Ito kasi yung mga list, guys, na included sa room na to. So, while checking, ayan, wala nga talaga. So, yun. Magdala na lang kayo ng sarili nyong toothbrush, guys. Yun lang. But overall, okay naman yung room. And sobrang laki niya, guys. As in. Ayan. Diyan kami kanina nag-massage. Dito. Sobrang laki niya. Dalawa lang kami dito, guys. Pero pwede pa, I think, mag-add ng dalawa. Yun, guys. Matutulog na kami. See you again tomorrow. Good morning, guys. So, last day namin dito sa Punta Bulata. So, let's go out. Let's walk dun sa beach. And then, mag-breakfast tayo, guys. Okay? Let's go. Ay, wait lang. Wow. Ito yung halaw.
Smooth as a silky pillowcase, slither in my innocent oasis. You bring the pain, I'll deliver patience.
Ang cute, guys. Meron din nagkakaya ko. Pero ang taas na din ng tubig dito, guys. Ang oras ngayon is 8 a.m. So, ganito kataas yung tubig.
What is that?
Something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve. Something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve. I seen it coming from up the block. Must be the one that you think I'm not. Let me remove.
Banana shake. Eto walang sugar. Eto may sugar.
Yummy.
Spot the difference. Essentials. Pag nakikita.
Okay, so for checkout na tayo, guys. And I hope guys enjoy kayo sa vlog na to. So, see you again guys on our next travel vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!
Bye!
I'm not the one or the two or the three or the five.